Is this real life? What if everything we experience is just a sophisticated computer program? What if the world we see, touch and feel is simply a simulation? This is the intriguing question posed by simulation theory, an idea that has captivated philosophers, scientists and science fiction fans for decades. In this exploration, we'll journey into the heart of this mind-bending concept. We'll examine its origins, dissect its arguments, and confront its profound implications. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow explorers, as we venture into the realm where reality itself is called into question. Simulated worlds, fact or fiction? Imagine a world indistinguishable from our own, crafted entirely within the digital circuits of a supercomputer. That's the essence of simulation theory. The idea that our reality might not be real, but rather a simulation run by a more advanced civilization. Picture it like a highly advanced video game with our lives as the immersive experience. While seemingly far-fetched, this idea has gained traction, fueled by advancements in computer technology and our growing understanding of the universe's fundamental nature. It raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos and the nature of existence itself. Echoes of doubt, from Plato's cave to today. The seeds of doubt about the nature of reality were sown long before the digital age. The ancient Greek philosopher Plato, in his allegory of the cave, pondered whether our senses could deceive us, leading us to perceive mere shadows as reality. Centuries later, René Descartes famously declared, "I think, therefore I am," acknowledging the only certainty we possess is our own consciousness. This philosophical lineage laid the groundwork for modern interpretations of simulation theory. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom reignited the debate with his groundbreaking paper, "Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?" Bostrom's work provided a framework for seriously considering the possibility that we might be living in a simulated universe. Bostrom's challenge: are we simulated beings? Bostrom's argument hinges on three compelling propositions. Post-human civilizations with vast computational power could create ancestor simulations. Imagine a future where technology allows us to create incredibly realistic simulations of our evolutionary past, populated by simulated consciousnesses. Such civilizations might run many such simulations. If creating one ancestor simulation is possible, it stands to reason that advanced civilizations might create numerous simulations for study, entertainment, or perhaps even as experiments. If so, we are likely in a simulation. Given the sheer number of potential simulated realities compared to the single real one, it's statistically more probable that our consciousness resides within a simulation. Think of the iconic film The Matrix, where humans unknowingly live in a simulated world controlled by sentient machines. While a fictional example, it vividly illustrates the core concept of simulation theory. Clues in the code, evidence and objections. Those who entertain simulation theory point to certain aspects of our universe as potential glitches in the matrix evidence of our simulated nature. These include the uncanny effectiveness of mathematics in describing the universe. Could this elegant mathematical framework be the underlying code of our simulated reality? The observer effect in quantum mechanics. The fact that observation seems to influence the behavior of particles at the quantum level might suggest a simulated environment responding to our interaction. Unexplained phenomena and anomalies. Could these be bugs or limitations in the simulation program? However, critics argue that these clues are easily explained by our current understanding of physics or are simply misinterpretations of complex phenomena. A significant objection to simulation theory is the sheer computational power required to simulate an entire universe down to its subatomic particles. While our technology rapidly advances, the feasibility of creating such a complex and vast simulation remains questionable. Rethinking reality, the implications of a simulated universe. If we were to accept the simulation hypothesis, the implications would be profound, shaking the very foundations of our understanding of the universe and ourselves. The nature of reality. What does it mean for our existence if we're merely lines of code in a sophisticated program? The existence of a creator. Does a simulated universe imply the existence of a programmer, a higher intelligence responsible for our digital existence? Free will versus determinism. If our actions are predetermined by the parameters of a simulation, what happens to our free will? These philosophical questions challenge our perceptions of reality and raise fundamental questions about consciousness, purpose, and the meaning of life itself. Simulated culture from the Matrix to our screens. The concept of simulated realities has permeated popular culture, captivating our imaginations and sparking countless philosophical debates. Movies like The Matrix, The Truman Show, and Inception explore the boundaries of reality and the implications of living in a constructed world. Video games, with their ever-increasing realism, further blur the lines between the virtual and the real. As we spend more time immersed in these digital worlds, the question of distinguishing simulation from reality takes on an even greater significance. The search continues, unraveling the mystery of existence. While simulation theory remains speculative, the questions it raises are far from trivial. The quest to determine whether we inhabit a simulated universe pushes the boundaries of our scientific understanding and challenges us to confront the deepest mysteries of our existence. Some physicists propose that by studying cosmic rays or searching for subtle patterns in the fabric of space-time, we might uncover evidence of a simulated reality. Others believe that as our technological prowess grows, we might eventually reach a point where we can create our own simulations, lending credence to the idea that we ourselves exist within one. Beyond the simulation hypothesis, what matters most? Whether we live in a simulation or a real universe, the fundamental questions about our existence remain. The search for meaning, purpose, and connection transcends the boundaries of any simulated reality. Ultimately, the value of considering simulation theory lies not in definitively proving or disproving its validity, but in the intellectual journey it sparks. It compels us to question our assumptions, explore the unknown, and appreciate the wonder and mystery of the cosmos, simulated or otherwise. Keep exploring. The universe, simulated or not, awaits. As we stand at the precipice of ever greater technological advancements and scientific discoveries, the debate surrounding simulation theory is likely to continue. One thing is certain, the universe, whether simulated or not, is a vast and awe-inspiring place, brimming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep your mind open to the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The cosmos, in all its simulated or real glory, invites us to embark on an endless journey of discovery.